Welcome once again, guys. So today I'll be talking about how to link your core mining app to MetaMask so that you'll be able to do files and so on how you can get cash every single day. Now, when you start to be showing, first to do is you have to do MetaMask first. So here's my MetaMask load. Loading. So this is MetaMask. Now I already have some Tcore on my Satoshi chain, and don't bother about this price that is showing, is just for showing sake. Now all you have to do after downloading is copy this your address, then go to browser. I already have the link here, so the link is scan, though you see it show call testnet scan. That's the link. So you import, you paste your the address and paste here. After pasting, do I'm not a robot, just to ascertain that it's not a bot that is trying to do the capture. Set vehicles. Robots might likely not be able to do all this because so after that, verify. Now you collect get Tcore. I will funded. Let's do another to get SUSDT. Then I'll show you the next place. Get SUSDT. I refunded. So let's get back now. Now see on the browser, you tap in you tap in the link will be on the bio, but I just want to show you how to add it from here. Then where I collect them, I'll go back and show you too. That's where you get your SUSDT. That's where you get to add it. But where I want to show you now is where you can add the Tcore chain testnet. And the transactions only runs on Tcore chain testnet. When you open your MetaMask newly is already on Ethereum chain, so you have to move from Ethereum. Don't worry, I'll show you after this process. Now let's go for it. Like I said before, the links are already in my browser, so I just have to tap scan and it will show up. Scan network. So when it finish loading, all you have to do is scroll up. Then you see add core network here. You click on it. It's already on my MetaMask, so you're not going to mean anything. Like what I was saying before now was that when you open your MetaMask, you see the wallet is on Ethereum main network. So what I just did now is to move it from Ethereum main network to Satoshi. When you do this process, that's when this Satoshi testnet will come up. I don't know if you understand. Now the Satoshi will enter now. All of them will come. So after you are done with that process, then you send to someone. So maybe your a referral, someone you know that is inside the network. Now I want to send to this guy. Just press next. He have already sent to me. He sent 0.3 to me, so I'm sending back to him so that I can go and collect my 3k hash. Normally when you do it the first time, like I did, you have to copy that address. This is your address. Make sure that is the address of your metamask, because it will take, I think, 3 months before you can change your address again. Then you'll be losing out on that 3 months if you try to change address. We just have to wait for this net to alight, then we move on. On my last video, I emphasized on the fees being extremely low. Yeah, it's still low. Bitcoin is going up now, and that price that is showing is the price of Bitcoin, but the price that we all know is way lower though. But if the price comes out that way, there's nothing to lose. Network. Has come up, so let me type again. 0.3 next. So I have to verify and estimate gas fee. Gas fee went down to 0. Sorry, yeah, 0.0402, which is half of the normal gas fee. Before it now went back to 0.0403, then I think it's back at the normal price of 0.404. Now send. You have to wait for it to send, then submit first, then complete. After completing, then you go back to your core mining app. And one thing is, they have changed it to core now, but mine is still showing Satoshi chain because I have not upgraded my app. Now I'll show you where to get the link to if you don't have it submitted. Let's wait for it to be confirmed. Now if you're wondering like, why is my account showing real-time dollars, if you want to do it, just to click on this three bar, go to settings, then check networks, click on your Satoshi network. You see my symbol is showing BTC. So yeah, if you haven't changed transaction completed, now if you haven't changed yours to BTC, it will be showing normal, no price. But when you change this place to BTC, the price will change, so it will be showing price. Now all you have to do is just clean that Btcs or Tcore that is showing there, then change it to BTC, then the price will be showing. So let's go back to Satoshi map. I believe in this project so much, like I believe I'm gonna make something out. We're gonna make the internet. And one thing is like, if this money come into circulation, I think it's gonna boost the economy all around the world. Everywhere now, all over the world, there is hunger. Like recession has affected every sector of our economy, not only in Nigeria, but now I'm gonna take my axe to. I was having 559 before, but now it will turn to 562. Like I was saying before, the economy will be boosted. So this is how you can do it. Like the link you have copied, If you haven't added it, this is my address showing here under the root description. So if you have not added your address, it will be under every other thing. So first of all, you have to put your address, but before that, you have to connect your Twitter. My Twitter is already connected. Before you click on this Twitter link, this Twitter handle, they'll take you to Twitter. Follow them with Twitter. And if you don't have Twitter account, you have to open one. Then after linking it, then you come here, paste your metamask address, which is Satoshi Tcore Satoshi address, paste it here, which is actually Ethereum chain. You paste, then after that, before you go to metamask, do all those transactions, send to someone, then that is all. If you don't have anybody to send to, you can highlight on this video, then I will share you a link for you to join me to be sending and receiving. Or maybe I'll just send you my address so that when you send, but we need to be on a safe side so that when you send, I will know that you sent, then I'll send back to you. Thank you guys for watching.